Today, we're going to dive into the whimsical world of drawing an axolotl. These adorable amphibians are known for their cute, smiley faces and feathery gills. First, we'll begin with the basic shapes. Start by drawing the body of axolotl. Now we'll add the axolotl's limbs. Draw 4 short, stubby legs extending from the body. Each leg should have tiny toes at the end. One of the most distinctive features of an axolotl is its feathery gills. From each side of the head, draw 3 wavy lines extending outward. Next, let's give our axolotl a face. Inside the head oval, draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Position them slightly towards the top. Between the eyes, draw a small curved line for the mouth. Draw multiple curved lines to give axolotl gills a feathery look. Now draw some circles. Great job on your drawing. Now comes the fun part, coloring. For the gills, use a vibrant red or a brown color. Axolotls come in various colors, but we'll go with a classic pink look. Use a light pink color pencil or marker to fill in the body. Apply the color evenly and use gentle. And there you have it, your very own adorable axolotl. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art tutorials. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you had as much fun drawing and coloring as we did. Stay creative and keep practicing. See you next time for another exciting drawing adventure.